Water meters are used to measure and record the volume of water flowing through a line. The primary functions of metering are to help a water utility account for water pumped to the system and to fairly charge customers for the water they use. Most public water systems measure the water used by each service connection or customer with a meter, primarily to determine billing charges. A secondary reason is to track water use to ensure there is no undue waste or leakage in the distribution system. When customers are billed for the exact amount of water used, they have an incentive to use water wisely. Metering also affords the utility an opportunity to notify a customer if a noticeable change has occurred in water usage. This video will discuss various service meter types and sizes, and then focus on the installation, meter testing, maintenance, and record keeping of residential service meters. The most common type of meter for measuring water use through customer services is the displacement meter, commonly referred to as a positive displacement or PD meter. The displacement meter has a chamber that measures the volume of water flowing through it by means of a moving piston or disc.